Picture Sarah, a marketing executive of 12 years, staring at her laptop late one night, feeling that familiar knot in her stomach. She's successful by all external measures, but something's missing. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're about to discover why this might be the most exciting chapter of your career. Today, we're diving into the art and science of mid-career transitions. But before you think this is just another follow your passion talk, let me stop you right there. What I'm about to share comes from real stories of successful career changers who've cracked the code. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the skills you think are holding you back might be your secret weapon, and how one small change in your daily routine can completely transform your job search. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest career transition challenge. I read every comment and respond personally. The power of your story. Let's talk about Lisa, a former teacher who's now a successful UX designer. Her secret? It wasn't just learning new technical skills. It was understanding how to tell her story. Think about it. A teacher breaks down complex concepts for students, manages multiple stakeholders, parents, administrators, students, and creates engaging experiences. Sound familiar? These are exactly the skills top tech companies want in UX designers. Check. The reality check. The truth about career changes. Now here's what most videos won't tell you. Career transitions can be messy. They can be scary. And yes, sometimes they mean taking 2 steps back to move 3 steps forward. But here's why that's actually good news. The most successful career changers aren't the ones who had it all figured out. They're the ones who mastered these 3 critical strategies. 3. The strategy breakdown and practical actions. A. The 30-minute revolution. Remember James, an accountant turned software developer? He didn't quit his job and go all in overnight. Instead, he did something surprisingly simple. Dedicated just 30 minutes every morning to learning coding. Why? Because sustainable change isn't about grand gestures. It's about consistent, small steps. Take consistent, small actions daily. Progress compounds over time. Treat each interaction as a learning opportunity. Allow yourself space to process the emotional aspects of change. Stay patient and focused on long-term goals. View setbacks as refinement opportunities, not failures. B. The network reframe. Forget cold LinkedIn messages. When Maria wanted to transition from finance to sustainability consulting, she did something different. She turned every conversation into a learning opportunity, even with her barista, who surprisingly had a brother working in environmental policy. Leverage your network strategically, from LinkedIn to local meetups. Organize your transition with practical tools, tracking spreadsheets, contact lists. Create a support system of mentors, peers, and career coaches. Join communities of others making similar transitions. Use time creatively. Dedicate specific chunks for job search and networking. But wait until you hear what happened next. C. The identity shift. This is where things get interesting. The biggest obstacle isn't usually skills or experience. It's how we see ourselves. Let me show you a simple exercise that's helped countless professionals overcome this. Take stock of what truly energizes you in current and past roles. Map out your transferable skills: leadership, decision-making, communication. Craft a compelling narrative that connects your experience to your desired role. Embrace your career transition as a growth journey, not just a job change. Your career transition story is waiting to be written. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the exact scripts to use in networking conversations that open doors. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.